Thursday, September the 8th, Buckhorn, Kentucky. Appalachian Mountain Wrestling's debut in Buckhorn, Kentucky. Now, 6 o'clock, we've got ringside VIP tickets. You're going to get in for a meet and greet with all the Appalachian Mountain Wrestling stars. Then at 6:30, you're going to have a special pre-show. Now, general admission, if you can't get there then, come in at 7 o'clock. You're going to be there. Doors are going to open. We'll start the show at 7:30. Now, on to Michael Jameson. Jameson, I've been a member of a lot of great tag teams. First of all, it was Something Else with John Noble. Then, it was The Cartel with Coach Steele. Then, a little tag team called The Drillers. But we'll get back to that. Then, me and Kyle Maggard formed the Island Boys. And we rocked every place that we were in. Now, back to the Drillers and Michael Jameson. Jameson, you stabbed me in the back, son. That was your mistake. I've been chasing you and chasing you. Last May, I had to dress up as Juan Noble to try to get my hands on you. It's not going to be Juan Noble this September the 8th. It's going to be Eddie Browning against Michael Jameson. Son, we're going to make wrestling great again.